We're at South Terrace today, which is an infamous radiation anomaly, and it's actually the site of an old radium mine where Marie Curie apparently came in order to buy radium and help to process it. So we're here today and we're trying out the Wingtra 1 system with the ARM radiation mapper, so that we can not only map around the immediate area of South Terrace, but we can do a much wider area than that, looking for other anomalies in the nearby district. Another reason to come and map here with the radiation anomaly is because we know the anomalies here, and this allows us to try the Wingtra system, which we hope to take to Ukraine to map parts of the Red Forest following the brief Russian occupation, in order to understand how the radioactivity distribution has changed. Now, the advantage of using the Wingtra system with radiation mapping capability is we don't need a large area or even a runway in order to take off and land, because it has a vertical takeoff and landing capability. And this is super exciting and also super important in terms of an emergency response capability for the UK and our partners around the world.